Here we go, folks. Titanic, 1912. Bet no one packed Wi-Fi for this party. I'm jumping in.
Hey, have you seen Jack Dawson around here?
What is that in your hand, dear?
No filter, no Wi-Fi, and no likes. How's anyone supposed to believe I was here?
Yeah. This was not in the weather app.
Of course, facial recognition doesn't work in 1912. Thanks, Edwardian fog.
Cursed magic box.
If this uploads, tell my algorithm I loved her.
Iceberg, 1. Titanic, 0. Final score pending.
Near, far, wherever you are. My heart will go.
Please not Titanic again. Seriously. Anyway, drop your next disaster below. See ya!